Basically, this is an idea. I just bought the whole Glitchpop set. I bought the whole thing, dude. I had to cave in. I was looking at the store and I was like, dude, these skins just look so good. A new Vandal skin is what I needed in my life. So I bought them all, dude. I was only able to upgrade the Vandal to the point where I have like all the effects and stuff. So this is going to be the one that we're using primarily. But I do have the Operator on. I have the Phantom on as well. There's a Classic. I really do want to upgrade the Classic because I think that I'm going to use that a little bit. But like, here's the thing, dude. It takes so many freaking Radiant points to upgrade any of this shit. It takes 10 each. You know how much it costs to buy Radiant points? It costs like 20 bucks for 20 Radiant points. That's a lot of money, dude. It's very expensive. So it's like, I don't know, man. I'm not going to upgrade them all yet. We'll get there as we finish the Battle Pass. We're pretty far into it or so far, but yeah, that's the update. We're going to be fragging out, hopefully. And by fragging out, I mean, like, maybe I'll get a couple of kills in these games and we can make it into, like, a highlight reel. So, yeah, we're going to do that. Roll the clips. I've been playing a bit of Omen. Going back to our roots.
Oh, he's back.
One enemy remaining.
You're insane, Bappo? Okay.
Damn, she moved quick.
One enemy remaining.
Last one vent to this.
Probably
Back there. Nice.
30? Okay.
Stealing sight.
Last player standing.
She didn't get it.
What? Oh, the
Yeah,
backside
there's
was clear.
corner in
Yeah.
the back.
It's the King Live, the DBI. We're messing around with the Glitchpop.
You guys,
One enemy remaining.
Dude, I fucking rolled that Reyna. Oh my god. The only thing that would have been better than a Glitchpop Classic is a Glitchpop Sheriff, dude. I was shooting at her with a stinger, so she thought that she had the upper hand in that engagement, and then I just jiggled her with a Sheriff. Yikes.
Probably, watch your heaven. Yep, I know.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Speaker.
You can send it, yeah.
That's 3 of them, all 3.
apparently that didn't hit. Nice trade.
I'm not peeking, but I am gonna. Oh.
Bappo, I'm trying to make content, dude, and you're trying to steal my Glitchpop Vandal. He has res.
I didn't even peek.
I'm gonna blind her.
One enemy
Last one
remaining.
gay.
Yikes.
Dude,
Imagine if I had a Glitchpop Vandal right there, Bappo. Imagine, dude. That's the free fucking content. I paid
Last
money
round
for
in
those.
the half.
Pillar and backside. Left.
Last player standing.
Sorry, I guess that's not
Nice.
backside. It was behind me, so I figured I thought back, but that was definitely not backside.
Switching
I guess
sides.
in a way it's kind of back. Well, back is like relative, right? So I mean, like.
Last
another
player
one?
standing.
Yeah, you got it.
Careful, he's there. Oh shit. It's okay. Mission failed. We'll get them next time. Glitchpop Vandal ready to frag.
Find the wall. That's where I had Bucky.
Good shit, Dashy. Fucking
Dude, I-
Dashy, dude.
Shadows traveling.
She was heaven, now she's CT. 2 ram, 1 CT.
One enemy remaining.
Jordan?
Oh,
Those shots.
oh,
Jordan?
oh, she was so
Those
close.
shots.
Oh my god. Gave me a heart attack.
Was she on the bomb?
Yeah.
Pretty much. She walked through the open smoke.
She wasn't. There's no way.
That
she
was not
close.
my smoke, just for the record.
Hey, Hog. Hey, man. Everybody throws a bad smoke.
No, it wasn't mine. It wasn't mine.
Hey,
It wasn't my smoke. It was red. It was
Okay,
red.
okay.
Wasn't my smoke. I will not accept responsibility.
What about that smoke on Hayden the other day, man?
Which one? Oh, the one that went like a mile away. I was
Yeah.
lagging. That's not my fault.
Cover going out. Cover going out.
Maybe they don't know.
Yeah, out in the middle of.
I think they know.
I don't know.
I have the spike.
We're Bamboozled.
Party's over.
Spike planted.
Ooh.
One enemy remaining.
What? Where are my bullets going?
How much do you hit her for?
34? I'm sad, man.
Hey, it's okay. It happens to the best of us.
Wait, what? Boombot? What are you
It hit the
doing?
wall.
What sewers? Sewers!
Removed.
Imagine. He's on site. Please just kill him.
Oh no. I should have just shot him,
His
dude.
elbow.
I think they win this anyway.
Loosen up.
One enemy remaining. Last
Outside.
player standing.
Nice.
Nice.
Hey, take
See, I
that,
had a lot
guys.
of confidence in you guys. I knew we won that round already, so I was like, whatever, you know.
Match point.
Cover going out.
Fuck backside.
Sit on box.
Oh, up on wall. Let's love spaghetti. Spaghetti slaps. I fucking love spaghetti. It's one of my favorite foods, actually.
Switching sides.
Paul, do you have your ult?
You're watching that. He's watching that. Last two drop.
Last player standing.
Swarm grenade out.
Well done,
Nice play,
Bappo.
Baffo.
Clutch. Last player standing.
See ya. Headshot.
One enemy remaining.
Oh,
Here comes the party.
She walled elbow.
Cycle out. Wrong buddy out.
Let's go, Lucas. What the fuck was that? That was sexy, dude. That one's going on the Twitter. Okay, blinding.
Stealing sight.
Oh, I think I missed the box. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you did,
Literally the
but-
worst. Oh, good shit.
It's fine. I got traded.
39.
Sight, pillar.
Backside, backside, backside.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Let's go with day.
I guess she has a nade. It was a bad idea.
Facing
Got
sentry.
this.
Last player standing.
Nice, good shit.
Oh yeah.
Good carry that one round, Lucas. That was sexy. I thought I was watching Bappo for a second. That first game didn't go too hot. We threw a little bit there, but I mean, like, we were able to clutch it out. I'm not too upset with that. I think it's going okay. I think if I win this next game, I think I'm back to D2, which would be nice.
We going B? Hey.
We're going C.
Yeah.
One enemy remaining.
Now 4. Found them. Killed my bot.
Nice try. Well, we could take B or A, but if we go B, then he has a molly. So A might be the play.
Might be the play. A the play.
Buddy out.
Got him? I want that Reaver Vandal.
Reloading. Clearing out. Placing swarm grenade.
One ramp.
Got it. Send it.
One marshalling CT.
Nice.
Reloading.
I'm fortunate that I never hit anything, but sometimes I wanna like break something, you know?
No.
Sometimes I've gotten there. I've gotten close with Valorant, but I've never broken anything.
Smoke's down.
Nothing.
Wow, you're so bad.
Launching smoke.
Go, go, go. The op is A.
Smoke's down.
Close left,
Close
close left.
left. That flick. Oh my god,
Last
dude.
player
Got
standing.
the spike.
I hit him for 120.
Why me? There were like 15 other targets in that guy's face.
I don't know if that hit.
Beacon
That
down.
Swarm grenade out.
Enemy down.
Reloading. Finished.
I have ult.
It's half.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading. Enemy spotted.
Okay. Time for a protein shake.
I
Beacon
heard
down.
one moving.
Molly.
site and CT right now.
Eddie.
I have all.
One enemy remaining.
Ramp, don't be.
Ramp.
Nice, good
Nice.
stuff.
Smoke's down.
Yo, you saw her.
Oh, see, I'm really.
I have ult. Should I ult?
Being heaven, gotta watch out for that.
One hell. Oh my god.
Balance, by the way.
You got vision of her in mid, and then you peeked it again, and then she shot you. I was literally in the process of dropping a smoke for you, and then you repeeked it.
One enemy remaining.
God
Wait,
damn.
wait, let me-
Jeez,
let me-
dude, what the fuck?
A.
Okay. Like people that are just there to play.
Reloading.
That's on my armor, though.
Sorry if I flashed you, Beppo.
One enemy
Taken
remaining.
down. Hold on to your hats.
Jet's also heaven.
Hold on to your hats.
Try sticking it.
Last player standing.
Oh, I hit her
Clutch.
40. I can only see her head and I hit her 40. Okay, dude.
She did the same play fucking twice, dude.
Pay
She's such a
attention.
like
I learned
fuck,
something.
dude. Fuck, dude. I'm way smarter than these players, but I just can't fucking aim, dude. Dude, that animation for Jet throwing knives is so fucking goofy.
You even get that Phoenix?
Watch out. I naded, but I got killed from the thing.
I got killed through a smoke.
Placing
It's
Probably
playing for heaven.
Playing heaven. Play heaven. It's half.
Last
Oh,
player
both,
standing.
all three ramps.
Prepare for hellfire.
Oh my god.
It's half, and they have Molly on it.
Blinding.
Man, this is such a pussy, dude.
Cringe.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Oh
Nice.
my god, Bappo.
Wait, Bappo, did you just copy? Like, okay, dude, Bappo.
Thank you for the rage, you
they
swirly. I
tricked us
appreciate it,
one
man.
time. Anything else?
Jesus, dude.
Mid.
They could be in our spawn potentially.
mid to B now.
Yeah,
mid to B.
She smoked
Smoke's
A.
down.
Watch it,
I
Brand.
did.
Stim beacon down.
Jesus, dude. This is like the same thing as that fucking Haven game. Suddenly they all land all their shots.
Calling my bot.
Yeah, you're good. She doesn't get it.
Sova's already out. Wait for me, I'm almost there.
Planning.
Boom botting
Planning.
screens.
Spike planted.
Hit 90 on Rig or Brim.
Smoke's down.
Smoke room.
Remaining.
Dead.
Nice.
Nice. GG, guys.
Battle out.